Howdy, hotshots. Beaming to you from inside the Infiniverse. It's Kevin with Earth 2 Mastery. This is just a quick video to show you how to sell an apartment. So I'm here on Nirvana Mount, and you can see I have the penthouse up there. Let's go sell it so you can see how that works.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Megan.
You see Nirvana Mount right there. That belongs to me. It's 225 meta tokens right now. This is one of the buildings I built up with a lot of purchases. I have 60 tokens right now. All you have to do is click sell. Wait for the spinning wheel of death, and it's sold. You can see I had 60 tokens. Now I have the 225 added on for a total of 285. I did not have to wait for another buyer. I sold it back to the game, and I no longer own Nirvana Mount. That's it, and if you want more Infiniverse content, get to sub and sub and sub and sub and sub.